that wants to get real broke like they're fuck some shit up, talk so much noise. They're gonna be sitting there on the sideline looking like toys. What's the noise to be heard? You know better, I'm the one to get absurd. That's my word, that's the one I had to keep on the streets from head to toe. Boy, I thought you'd seen me, so that's why I got to be the one to be the ill, killing the not motherfuckers, boy, got to feel it. I'm sorry if I'm cursing, I'm just bursting the fact. Y'all wanna be a rapper, but you write it down like that. That's just me on the grind, getting mine. That's fellow having a good time. That's the way I like my lines. It's a straight one. I ain't crooked like a motherfucker. Hater ass bitch, boy. Thought you wouldn't like another, cause I talk too much on the wheels. That's step two. Boy, I thought you knew this is better. That's keeping it cool. That's a thought you know in the cold of blue. That's the Sioux coming at you, boy. I thought you knew.